On the occasion of Shahid Divas, I offer my gratitude to the father of the nation and all other freedom fighters who lost their lives while serving for the motherland. Indian government celebrates two specific dates as Shahid Divas. One is on 30th of January and second one is on 23rd of March. On 30th of January 1948, the father of the nation was gunned down. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the most influential and powerful personalities of 20th century. He had profound influence on Bharata Swatantra Abhiyan. Gandhiji took freedom movement to masses, and this was his greatest contribution to India's freedom struggle. He went to remotest part of the country, went to rural India, stayed with common people, understood their problems, and solved them by getting those people involved. He showed them that they have the power and can fight injustice. This is the reason he was so popular and could attract people from all classes. Gandhiji's philosophy is based on three principles: ahimsa, satyagraha, and swaraj. He believed pure faith could unite people. His teachings are popular and continue to inspire people world over, from Martin Luther King Jr. to Aung San Suu Kyi. We celebrate Shahid Divas to generate and build up great respect in the hearts of public for all who are working selflessly for our nation. They may be soldiers, police, leaders, or social workers. Such feelings binds the nation by the thread of national feeling and spreading the love with each other. Let us listen a nice poem from Akshit Singh of Standard 5.
आज 30 जनवरी है और इस 30 जनवरी को हम शहीद दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। तो मैं हमारे देश के शहीद वीरों को ये पुष्प अर्पित करना चाहता हूँ। बात तो सत्य और अहिंसा की करते हैं, बात तो सत्य और अहिंसा की करते हैं, लेकिन लोगों में दिन रात कटुता भरते हैं। भगत, राजगुरु और सुखदेव जी हमसे खो रहे हैं क्योंकि हम उनकी कुर्बानी भूल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम उनकी कुर्बानी भूल रहे हैं। हरिओम, मैं अक्षित सिंह। आप सभी को ये तो पता ही है कि आज शहीद दिवस है, तो मैं हमारे देश के शहीद वीरों के ऊपर एक कविता कहने जा रहा हूँ। नमन मेरा उन वीरों को, नमन मेरा उन वीरों को जो लुटा देश पर जान गए, सोए धरा की मिट्टी में मगर गगन से ऊंचे हो गए, मगर गगन से ऊंचे हो गए। ललाट देखो इन वीरों का, ललाट देखो इन वीरों का, सूरज से तेज चमकता है। नारा जय हिंद जब ये बोले दुश्मन का दिल दहलता है, दुश्मन का दिल दहलता है। जिगर के अंदर ये अपने, जिगर के अंदर ये अपने बल फौलादी रखते हैं। घर बार सब त्याग दिया, बस नाम देश का जपते हैं, बस नाम देश का जपते हैं। लहू जहां इनका गिरता है, लहू जहां इनका गिरता है, वो भूमि पावन होती है। चिता पे लगे मेले में इनकी बस एक अमिट कहानी होती है, बस एक अमिट कहानी होती है। मिले सलामी बंदूकों की, मिले सलामी बंदूकों की, तिरंगा इनका कफन हुआ। पुष्प वर्षा देव करे जब एक वीर यहाँ पर दफन हुआ, जब एक वीर यहाँ पर दफन हुआ। इनके पैरों की धूली को, इनके पैरों की धूली को मस्तक पर हम धरते हैं। देवतुल्य वो होते हैं जो देश की खातिर मरते हैं, जो देश की खातिर मरते हैं। अंत में मैं ये कहूंगा, आत्मा ही नहीं, आत्मा ही नहीं दिल भी रोता है जब सरहद पर कोई जवान शहीद होता है। सर झुके रहे उनकी इजाजत पे, क्योंकि जो शहीद हुए हैं हमारी हिफाजत में, क्योंकि जो शहीद हुए हैं हमारी हिफाजत में। जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद।
May we never forget our fallen comrades. Freedom is not free. Now let us know about the unsung brave hearts of Odisha who barely made it to our history textbooks, but their sacrifice and selfless service to our motherland is no less than a patriotic revolution. While talking about Odisha's real heroes, the local names that pop up are Raghu Dibakar of Ranpur, Raja Madho Singh of Bargarh and his 4 sons, and the duo of freedom fighters Basu and Basuni. These two valiant young leaders Raghunath Mohanty and Dibakar Parida struggled against the injustice, oppression and tyranny of Gujrat rulers who were supported by British government. Their call for freedom spread like wildfire in different parts of Ranpur. Unfortunately, they were arrested with false charges of murder of British political agent. Local people were physically tortured and forced to become false witness against them. They were hanged to death on 4th April 1941. Have you ever heard of the folklore of entire family being equally devoted towards motherland? Yes, it is about a very popular Zamidar of Badgar district, Madho Singh Bariha and his 4 sons. Madho Singh was a close associate of Bir Surendra Sai. Madho Singh raised a violent revolt against the British rule during 1857 by frequent guerrilla attack. Britishers made it an agenda to eliminate his entire family. Unfortunately, Madho Singh was arrested after the Great Mutiny of 1857 and was hanged to death on 31st of December 1858. All his sons were imprisoned and tortured to death. Though Britishers were successful in their mission of eliminating Madho Singh's family, he and his sons will always be remembered in the local folklore of Odisha for their unmatched spirit of patriotism. The heroic deed of Madho Singh gave inspiration to the future. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. This saying by Gandhiji quite well evoked in Basu Sethi and Bisuni Madhwal to oppose British rule and dominance in certain areas of Cuttack. Under British patronage, these areas were famous for taxation, forced labor, exploitation and oppression. Basu and Basuni, in response to non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji, mobilized local people and confronted the British force in the outskirts of their village, but both fell to the bullets. They fought till the last breath of their life, and their spirit of patriotism instills in everyone the urge to fight for the nation. Now let us hear a few lines from Sweta Swadhismita of Standard 9.
देश के लिए प्यार है तो जताया करो, इंतजार मत करो, गर्व के साथ बोलो जय हिंद और अभिमान के साथ कहो भारतीय हैं हम. हरिओम. I am Shweta Swadhismita of class 9C, and on this occasion of Shahid Divas, I want to speak a few lines about the great heroes who contributed a lot for their nation. They didn't care about their own lives, and they cared only about their motherland, only about their nation. On this occasion of 30th January, let's pay tribute to those great heroes. The first of the greatest heroes is Mahatma Gandhi. He is popularly known as the father of our nation, and children call him Bapu. He is known for his non-violent resistance against the British rule. And if we dig further into the history of India, we have Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. She is a legendary heroine who had a great role in the first war against the British rule. And we also have Subhash Chandra Bose. He is popularly known as Netaji. He was known for his motivational speeches and Give Me Blood and I Will Give You Freedom is his most popular one. We have also many other freedom fighters like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Khudiram Bose, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Ani Besant, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. And if we look into their life, they would prove to be the most inspiring for us. We can learn many things from their life, like how to stand for our own self, how teamwork makes wonders, and how it is good to say the truth, and it is necessary to always speak the truth. So we should look forward to them as our role models, and then we can learn many great things from their great life. Thank you.
From the fantastic sing proclaiming every tiny molecule of ash is in motion with my heat. I am such a lunatic that I am free even in jail. To India's finest statesman remarking, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेंगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए. Time passed, pages after pages written in history books. Generations born grew old and passed away, but such gems were the ones that held the meaning of patriotism true till today. Let us pay our homage to all the brave fighters, all the freedom fighters, and all the shaheeds of this country. Vande Mataram.